Well, today is July 18th, 2018. It's a year to the day that I cut these bananas down off the last tree. 2 days actually. So we're going to be, I might go ahead and wait till tomorrow. We'll have enough energy to go ahead and get these. Hear a little thunder in the background. We have one Siamese. That's all. I think the last one we had about 3 or 4 of them. But these are really ready. You can just see they're just about starting to turn yellow on the vine. Although these little points are supposed to be gone. I guess they're close to being ready. Well, anyway. Either tonight or tomorrow, I'll go ahead and cut these down and distribute them to my neighbors and to everywhere that they gotta go. These are those ones from the other day. I already dug them up. All I gotta do is just put them in the ground somewhere. Here's another one, just like that. That other one over here is the big one I took out of the ground, and it's done rooted in. It's even got new growth on it, so I'm not going to lose it. But anyway, I'll be cutting this one down tomorrow.